Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the quick login code on Roblox. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type roblox.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course if you don't have an account you will need to start creating your account here. And of course if you have an account, just go and hit the login option here as I'm going to do, and of course you'll need to log in with your account here. So for me, let me just go log in into my account and I'm going back. So once you actually log in into your account, you'll find yourself here, which is this is gonna be your home or your main screen. And of course from here, if you want to get your login, your quick login code, you'll need to go to the settings right here at the top right corner, click on the settings, and from there you'd like you'll need to click at quick login. And as you can see here, to log in, make sure you only enter codes that you requested and never enter another user's code. So of course here you'll need to enter 6 characters code from new device. So of course let's just enter mine as an example. So of course where you're gonna find this enter the 6 character code from a new device. So simply when you try to log in into your account, let me just go here to a navigation tab or a private tab. So let me just go and open new one, new private window, and I'm going to type roblox.com simply, and then we will need to click at the login option here, and then click at another logged in device. And from here, as you can see, you will get this code. Make sure to copy it by hitting the Control C, and then go back to your quick login and type it here and hit the enter button, and you will certainly log in so fast with another device. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.